welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a stunning example of a Range Rover Velar in stock. This one in particular is a D200 Edition, so it's a limited edition in terms of when they first released this specification of Velar. So we've finished off in Firenze Red. This is one of our metallic colours that we have here at Land Rover, and with the edition, very much a black theme going around the car. So we've got exterior black back as standard with the edition, black grille, black lettering. We've got surround sensors right around the vehicle. And if we come round to the side again, continuing with that black theme, we've got some stunning gloss black alloy wheels. Rather than the burnished copper accents, with the addition we do get all black pack on the bonnet, the side vents, the mirror caps, and we do have deployable door handles along with keyless entry. Privacy glass fitted to the back of this vehicle also, and in the mirrors we do have blind spot monitoring. But if we're looking right round to the back of the car, as standard on Velar, we will receive an electric powered tailgate. Really big boot on Velar. I'll just set that parcel show so you can get a better idea, but the seats fold down in a 60-40 split should you need any extra room, and we do even have some storage space underneath as well. Now looking inside this car, we have got the Light Oyster interior. There's no clear signs of wear and tear in the back of this one. We've got some connectivity points in the back to keep ourselves connected, as well as some storage space in the back of those two front seats. If we're looking into the front of the car, we've got electric seats. We've actually got memory functionality for the driver as well. A Meridian surround sound system. 51,739 miles this car's covered at the time of recording. We've got a fully interactive driver's display which is fully customizable. We've got the likes of heated steering wheel, speed limiter, cruise control, voice control. And over here we have two screens, the top one being Pivi Pro, which is the latest infotainment system from Land Rover, the likes of your navigation, phone connectivity. We've also got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Underneath, all our off-road modes that we'd expect to see on our Land Rover, as well as all our climate control, including heated seats, heated rear windscreen, heated windscreen, and then we've got lots of storage right around the car, cup holders, storage space between the two front seats, and we've actually got a sliding panoramic roof on this vehicle which will open right up. So again, this is a D200 Range Rover Velar Edition. If you've got any questions on this vehicle, please do not hesitate to contact us on 01642 644 444. Thank you.